If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Hi, I'm Amiee Connor, and I've been helping people lead a natural, healthier way of life since 2013. I'm a mom to 2 sets of boy-girl twins and an Army wife. With a master's degree in mental health counseling and an essential oil expert with doTERRA, I seek to empower you and your loved ones to live a natural, healthier way of life. Stick around until the end and I'll share one of my favorite tried and true rollerball recipes for digestion to help you avoid the gurgles, assist with the occasional occurrence of overeating, and beat the holiday heartburn. Let's jump right in. Number 1, Fennel essential oil is a worthy oil that can be the communicator for all things occasional digestive upset. It's also responsible for the licorice aroma. Side note, want to curb those sweet tooth cravings? Add a drop to your water. Don't worry, you can thank me later. Number 2, cardamom essential oil. Known for the support it offers to the digestive system, cardamom essential oil has a very pleasant aroma and makes a great addition to your fall diffuser blends. It's also readily recommended by doTERRA to add this oil to a veggie capsule with a carrier oil, like olive oil, to ingest for gastrointestinal support. Do you have any tried and true recipes, techniques, or suggestions for dealing with days that you aren't feeling the best? I know my subscribers will love to hear what has worked for you and your family. Let's follow up with the remaining options for naturally supporting your digestive process. Number 3, Tamer Digestive Blend. This one is for the kiddos. In one word, soothing. This one goes along in the car, the gym bag, your purse, and travel oil bag. With a spearmint-forward aroma, you'll find this blend gentle enough for babies, but perfect for adults too. Pre-diluted and ready to roll. If you had a little too much to eat at dinner, massage this onto the abdomen for a near-instant soothing aroma and effect. Number 4, lemon essential oil. With high cleansing and clarifying properties, this oil is great for a gentle detox for the system. You can rest assured that with lemon essential oil on board, you will have a way to keep the system cleansed and supported. With doTERRA lemon essential oil, 2 drops in a glass of water can be the daily support needed for your belly to remain happy and regulated. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, you found her. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video.